Good morning. Welcome to another Science with Tina today. Today we're going to do what's called fizzy colors. So the things that we need for our experiment today, we're going to need a box of baking soda, good size box. We're going to need a small bowl of white vinegar, a small amount of white vinegar, and I measured that out into this cup. And I've got another jug ready to go if you want to use some more. And I have some medicine droppers. That's these little pipettes or medicine droppers. Those come in handy. And I have a variety of food colorings. So I've got those on my tray in these little cups here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our baking soda and put that all in the bottom of a shallow dish. Now I just chose a baking dish, something shallow, so you can spread it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna spread that out like that on the bottom of my dish, break the lumps up a bit. There we go, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. Use a little bit more over here. There we go. Whew, those have got big lumps in it. I'm just gonna break it down a bit and spread it out. Looks like a snowy day, doesn't it? Lots of white. Okay, once you've got that spread out evenly on the bottom of your dish, our next step is to take some of our food coloring. Let me just move this way a little bit. Some of our food coloring, and we'll use our pipettes to drop a little bit of that food coloring onto that top of that white baking soda. So I'm going to start with the color, I don't know if you can tell that, this is the color blue. I'm just going to put some drops here and there around on the surface of that baking soda. There we go. And then I'm going to use some of this color. You can tell me what that color is. If you said yellow, you're right. I'm going to put it kind of just beside the blue. A little bit beside the blue. I'm going to put a big one over here, a little bit more of that one. Right there. There. So I've got the blue and we've got the yellow. Then I'm going to take some of this color. It looks dark in my pipette, but it's tell me what color, can you see that? It's hard to see maybe, but it's a color red. Put a big drop in the center there, over here. I'm putting my colors kind of close together because it's interesting to watch when they start to blend together. This one over here is the color orange. Whoops. Drip it around. You can make a pattern if you like, or just wherever you like. Got one more here that we haven't used yet. The color green. Put some green in here. There we go. That looks like we've got a lot of color. So I'm going to set my color down over here. And then in this cup here, I have my vinegar. So what I'm going to do with my vinegar, I'm going to take one of my pipettes. I'm going to dip it into that vinegar. I'm going to tilt this up. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. And I'm going to drop it right into that. What do you notice about what's happening when I add the vinegar to the baking soda? Notice it start to fizz. Ooh. The colors are bubbling up. Let's go over here with this one. Ooh, look at that red. I'm going to give that a little bit more. Whoa. It's really bubbling up, isn't it? That reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda makes it foam up like that. We just keep going with your dropper or your pipette. Drop it right around all those colors we've put on the bottom of that baking sheet, and just watch how they spread around. And you can really see what happens when you've got the colors together in one spot. And what happens when those colors mix? If we make another color, or if it stays the same. This one's interesting. The blue and the yellow. Let's do that one again. Ooh, I see a different color coming out of that. The blue and the green. And then it fizzed out. I mean, the blue and the yellow made the green. And you can just keep on going right in that same spot. There's a lot of food coloring in there. There we go. There we go. Just keep on doing that around the whole dish. And just, ooh, that's an interesting color. That one, you notice about this color over here? Looks almost like a brown, doesn't it? Just keeps on bubbling up. Go around here. There. Oh, haven't got these down here yet. There we go. There we go. So once you've got it kind of covered, I'm going to go a little bit more with my vinegar and see. It's going to make a bigger, maybe a couple more bigger explosions there. The color just keeps on coming out of that baking soda when you add your vinegar. There's that orange again. Whoa, a little bit more red. It's kind of nice to start with just a little bit in your pipette. And then later on, oh, see, that one started to come out again. All that food coloring just keeps on coming up. Find all these colors. Ooh, that's an interesting color. Purple and blue and that pink. I like how it flows together in a different color. I'm going to go up here. Ooh, there's that green again. Ooh. And it just keeps on flowing. So you could just keep on going with that vinegar on there. Maybe I'll try a little bit more. We'll see some more colors dripping down. That color that's sitting at the bottom, though, is a mixture of all those colors together. I'm just going to roll it right along here. Whoa! I think you can just keep on going. Those colors keep on coming out. A bit more. Whoa! So gather your ingredients at home, and and have some fun with this. See, look at, even when I keep on going, I'm getting more and more of that color coming out. There. Thank you very much for joining me. Join me again next Friday for another experiment. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.